Alright, so here I am at this really old place. Like I said, Electrolux vacuum cleaner stuff in there. Oh well, goes in this way, but yeah, I'm in snow right now. If only I could get into this thing. I would break the door. Anyway, I'm even more in now than ever. Whoa. I got in. I like this. Yep, there's a vacuum cleaner in it. Electrolux, a real old one. It's real heavy. Can't believe I got in. There's a magazine. Campbell's tomato soups. Who knows what this is? National Geographic. 1927. A whole bunch of them. Wow. Another one. 1927. Goes back. Okay. Whew. And they get older as I go back. Oh, well. I don't know what that is. Look at that. Old magazine. Women's Day magazine. Women's Day magazine, to prove it to you. 19, looks like 33. 33 or 53. But it's 7 cents, so probably 33. And there's old like pictures down there. Oh, now how am I gonna get it back out of here? Oh my God. I have to get back out. Ugh. Ooh. Well, you know, when you have a 29-inch waist, what else is here? There's this structure here, and it's got like a window up there. Sure like to get into that place. Let's go this way. What's this? There's a door right there. Look at those copper gutters. It's a lot of copper, and there's a whole bunch more. The place is loaded with copper. Can't get in anywhere that way. Whew. Okay, that was a little exerting, to say the least. Or perhaps an enhancement of some previous ability. Just like some oil on some skin would be like an enhancement of an already present sheen. No, just joking. Where the hell am I? It's like locked. Can't even get in. Oh wow. Alright, man. There's like a house over there. I don't know if anyone lives there, but oh wow. Now I'm walking through like it's like past my knees. Look at that. Take a good long look at that. Yeah, this place, whoa, it's abandoned, but I can't get in. Too snowy out, man. Let's go back this way. Gonna get wet feet, but you know, fuck it. Man, this is a major workout. Okay. Alright. Hellman's mayonnaise. Okay, well before my time. Oh wow, that's old. Also, I'm a little out of breath. I don't know what that is. It's old, rusty, and all these tires. Probably all of them obsolete. Sensation lawnmower. Nice rolling frame is worth bucks. I don't trust this thing, but let's see what happens. Oh. Okay. I'm up here now. Let me see if I have a flashlight. Alright, here's an old saw.